I used the Puerto and parang nag-go one shade darker yung face ko. So for today, I'm gonna try out Colourlet's newest Blur Base and let's see ano yung perfect shade match ko out of all the 3 shades that I have here. So when you open it, andyan sa Lurge. And then, yeah! Shades na pinili ko is Puerto, Anilao, and Laia since doon umikot yung shades ko. Lightest shade ko talaga is Puerto and then recently I've been using Laia kasi mas nag-fit yung undertone ng Laia on me since I am neutral to warm undertone. I'm going to try first the shade Puerto. This is the shade Puerto. Let's do some swatches first. So this is the shade Puerto. This is the shade Puerto. Pero parang dark siya sa akin ngayon. I wanna compare the side-by-side swatch. This is the shade Laia. The shade Anilao. I think Laia works best talaga for me. Blended out, Puerto works really well pa rin on my skin tone. As per my usual, kapag lighter yung skin tone ko, I would always choose Puerto. So for today's look, yan ang gagamitin natin. We're gonna do one side muna and I'm using the shade Puerto. So, I don't actually wear anything on my face. Nag-skin prep lang ako. And, nawala na yung pimples ko. In fairness, ang smooth niya. Smooth siya on the face. I don't feel like, hindi siya kagaya ng powder, ng ibang powder foundation na pag in-apply mo siya, parang nafe-feel mong may nilalagay kang powder on your face. But so far for this, it doesn't feel like that. Actually lightweight siya, hindi mo siya ma-feel masyado on your face. If you have dry skin, this would always have the tendency to be cakey. So, kailangan talaga maganda yung hydration mo or skin prep mo before this. So, nag-normal skincare lang ako actually. Just finished putting Blur Base, the shade Puerto on this half of my face. And so far, ito yung couple of thoughts na meron ako. It's better to go one shade lighter than your usual shade. Kasi for me, Puerto is my lightest shade sa second base and first base. So, ganun siya lagi. I use